Hi, everyone. Welcome to this workshop. In this workshop, we are going to talk about monitoring our Gen AI applications. This workshop is going to be a part of the course that is starting next week. So this is the page for the course. I'm going to share the link with you right now, and also I will put the link in the description. So let me do this quickly. Course. So if you're watching this in the recording, then you just go to the description and then you will see the link there. Right. But my goal is, like, if you watched other workshops from me, my goal is to make also this workshop standalone. So if you are not interested in everything else we have done, if you already know what RAC is, you should also be able to get most out of this workshop. Of course, I will refer to some other lessons, and then I see a question: can I see previous videos? Yes, so all the videos are on YouTube. You go to DataTalksClub, and then you see, if you go to live, you will see all the previous videos. But also, when it comes to the video specifically for this course, when you go to this video to each of the lessons, you will see videos. And what is more, right now you don't see this, but later when the course actually starts, each of these lessons will contain its own video. But for now, if you want to check them, we will have a playlist, but also you can just go to our previous live videos and you will see like all the previous videos. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we are going to create a simple RAG application, and we're just going to reuse things we have used previously. And then we also are going to add monitoring on top of that. So we are going to save all the interactions from the user to a Postgres database, and then we're going to create a simple dashboard from this database. And then on top of that, at the end, if time allows, we will also create a Grafana dashboard. So that's the plan. I already, right? So what we are going to do today is we are going to create a simple interface for this rack, and we are going to add monitoring on top of that. So all the interactions we want to save. We want to save the instructions that we have for our RAG assistant. We want to save the prompt that we actually use. We want to save the model that we used. We want to also get some data, like we want to understand how many tokens we sent, how many tokens we received, how much money we spent on this request, how much latency we added on top of the, not added, but like how long did this request take, like from the moment we sent the request to the moment we got the response, like how much did we need to wait, how much did the user need to wait. So all that we want a record, and we want to have a dashboard where we can see these metrics. So this is what we call monitoring. So we want to understand how our system is performing, right? So this is only some things you can capture. You can capture, of course, a lot more. And also I want to add that in this module, we are going to focus more on RAG rather than agents, right? So for agents, the approach is going to be pretty similar, but I'll leave it to you as a homework, right? So because we already have some content about agents. It's going to be here in agentic RAG. So here we have module about agents, but I'm going to leave this part, monitoring for agents, as a homework for you. At the end, I'll just tell you what exactly, like, what is the direction you can take to actually do this kind of stuff.